Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we have a cuboid and we've been given some areas for some parts of the cuboid and we have to use this information to find the volume of the cuboid. Okay, so I'm going to label some parts out. Here will be L representing the length, here will be B representing the breadth, and here will be H, which is also representing the height. Okay, now if we consider where the 9 centimeters squares, that is this whole side. All right, we can write the formula for the area to be the length over here times this side, which is the height. All right, now we've been given that as 9 cm squared, so we just write it as this. Now we're going to label this as A1. All right, now our A2 will be where the 4 cm square is, so we can just consider the 16. It doesn't change anything, so I'm going to use the 4 cm square as our A2. So our A2 can be written as B, that is the breadth, and times the height. So we have BH equals 4. Then our final A3 will be where the 16 cm square is, or the upper part, which can be written as LB, right? That's the length times the breadth, and it's been given to us as 16. Okay, so we're going to use these equations to find our volume. Now, remember that the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid is length times breadth and times height. So in order for us to find the volume, we need length, breadth, and height. Okay, but from these three equations we can see that LB is 16 over here. So we can replace the LB with 16, which gives us V to be 16H. So now for us to find V, we need to find the value of H. Now we're going to find the value of H using these three sets of equations. That is LH equals 9, BH equals 4, and LB equals 16. So let's take A2 and then A3. If we divide A2 by A3, that's going to give us BH over LB equals 4 on 16. Now these two b's are going to cancel out, which leaves us with H on L equals 4 on 16. Now if you cross multiply, we're gonna get 16H equals 4L. Right, that is this H multiplies this 16, and then the 4 and then the L2 multiply. That is what cross multiplication means. Now remember, we are finding the value of H, right? So we should find another expression for L in terms of H, then replace it in this equation. Now we used A2 and A3 over here, so if we consider A1, we can see that LH is equal to 9. Okay, so from A1, if we decide to make L the subject, we're gonna get L to be 9 over H. So we can replace this L over here with 9 on H. So that's going to give us 16H equals 4. L is 9 on H, so we get this. So we get 16H equals 4 times 9 is 36, yes, so over H. Now we have 16H equals 36 on 8. We can cross multiply to get 16H squared equals 36. Divide through by 16, cancel out, we have H squared equals 36 on 16. 4 goes into 16 4 times, goes into 36 9 times. We're going to get 9 on 4. Find the square root on both sides. H is going to give us 3 on 2. Right, this is our value of H. Now square root of 9 over 4 is 3 on 2. So replacing H with 3 on 2, that's from here, we get this. 2 goes into 16 8 times. We're going to get 8 times 3, which is 24 cm cube. So this is a final answer for h, right? So you can use different approaches to arrive at the same answer, but the answer or the final answer is 24, right? So after finding the value of h, just replace it or substitute it into this equation, that is v equals 16h. You're gonna get this, then you simplify, you get a final answer to be 24, right? So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.